Want to make your photos more fun or add some style to share with friends? Adding stickers is an easy way to do that on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Here's how you can add sticker to any photo. First, open Gallery app. Pick the photo you want to add stickers to. Tap the pencil icon at the bottom to edit. Tap the decoration icon. Next, tap stickers. Browse the available stickers and tap the one you want to add. Repeat the same step to add more stickers. If needed, you can move, resize, or rotate the stickers to place it just how you want on the photo. Tap anywhere on the screen. If you are happy with the result, tap Save to save the change. So, why add stickers? Sometimes you want to make a photo more playful, highlight something funny, or add extra emotion like a birthday cake on a friend, a heart, or a cool emoji. Stickers help your photos stand out on social media or in messages. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.